Let him, Rohan. Let him ride. Okay, go. Ang hirap naman. Flat naman eh.
Right.
Oh, yeah, go.
Okay na natin.
Flat na siya.
Mayroon namin.
Oh naman, it's okay. They're just playing. Nagagalit. Hindi naman siya makasakay. Nagalit. Hey! Wow. Oh, so enough, anak. That's flat. You know, you have to fix it, Rani.
Dadala ako kay mama mo.